You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words. I know they're both really confusing, but the pronunciations can be really clear, so let's clarify it. If you want to learn more names from the anatomy of the brain, stay tuned. So it's gyri. It's most common pronunciation in English. I believe gyri does exist, but it's generally pronounced gyri and sulci. So it's not sulci, 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 sulci. All right, let's remember those two, gyri and sulci. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, gyri and sulci. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.